Welcome to the Age of Abundance, a series dedicated to a more beautiful future my heart tells is possible. In this course, we are talking about architecture intelligence. Yes, I am Ganesh Poon and I'm thrilled to welcome you all to Revolutionizing Design, harnessing the power of AI and architecture and design beyond. In this course, we will explore the groundbreaking ways artificial intelligence is transforming the design industry and how you, as architects and designers, can leverage these cutting-edge tools to create innovative, functional, and beautiful designs.
My prompt is Salvador Dali painting the skyline of New York City. Oh, that's pretty cool.
By the end of this course, you will have mastered the skills to understand the impact of AI on design industry and its potential to revolutionize the way we approach architecture and design. Utilize ChatGPT-4 to enhance collaboration and communication in your design projects. Streamline your design workflows and boost efficiency with Mid-Journey. Ignite your creativity using AI-driven design tools like Adobe Firefly. Create immersive virtual environment with Skybox by Blockhead Labs. Elevate and choose the right AI tools for your specific design needs. Address ethical consideration and balance innovative and responsibility in AI-driven world.